Could this be the boldest luxury sedan of the decade? Is this the moment Toyota steps back into the performance spotlight with something no one saw coming? Hello, car enthusiasts. Buckle up, because today you're not just meeting a new model. You're witnessing the rebirth of a legend. This is the 2026 Toyota Cressida, a name pulled from the past, re-engineered for the future. A high-performance sports sedan with luxury in its veins and fire in its soul. At first glance, it's elegant, but look closer and the aggression shines through. The long hood, sharp shoulder lines, and sweeping rear give it a stance that's poised and powerful. The LED signature lights slice through the dark like a blade. It's not just refined, it's purposeful. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that balances comfort with command. A minimalist, tech-forward layout wraps around the driver. Soft touch materials, brushed aluminum, and a floating 14.5-inch curved display give it a futuristic, upscale vibe. Toyota didn't cut corners, they sculpted them. But the real surprise? It's under the hood. Powering the 2026 Cressida is an all-new 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out 450 horsepower and 442 lp-ft of torque, paired to a 10-speed automatic and optional rear-biased AWD. The result? A 0 to 60 time of just 4.1 seconds. It's quiet when you want it, brutal when you don't. And the driving experience? Balanced, responsive, and addictive. With adaptive dampers, four-wheel steering, and a nearly perfect weight distribution, the Cressida dances through corners like a car half its size. It's more than fast, it's composed. Fuel economy comes in at a respectable 26 miles per gallon combined, thanks to lightweight construction and active efficiency systems. It's quick, but smart about it. Inside the cabin, the tech is equally impressive. A next-gen driver display with augmented reality navigation, wireless everything, OTA I means over the air, updates, and a 16x6 speaker JBL reference audio system that turns every drive into a studio session. It's smooth, quiet, and tuned to perfection. Starting at $61,500 0 cents, the 2026 Cressida undercuts the German giants without sacrificing luxury or speed. Fully loaded, you're looking at just under $75 0 cents K, and for that, you're getting a car that redefines what Toyota can be. This isn't just a comeback, it's a recalibration. The 2026 Toyota Cressida doesn't chase trends, it creates space for a new kind of performance sedan, sharp, smart, and unmistakably bold. Toyota didn't just bring back a name, they brought back a feeling. And if this is the new direction, you'll want to be around for what's coming next.